Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to keep you updated on upcoming videos. Today I am giving you an important message about World Development Information Day 2022. World Development Information Day 2022. Each year the United Nations marks October 24th as World Development Information Day. This day is observed to create awareness of the problems surrounding development in different nations and how to overcome them. The day is marked on the same day as United Nations Day, which was formed on October 24, 1945. History. In 1972, the UN General Assembly established World Development Information Day with Resolution 3038-27. The international organization hoped to make people aware of developmental problems that countries across the world continue to face. At the time, the standard of living was abysmally low in many countries. Significance. World Development Information Day aims to address these issues, with many countries being burdened with insufficient resources, infrastructure, education, capacity, investment, and connectivity. Theme. The United Nations General Assembly sets a theme for World Development Information Day every year. Stakeholders organize and plan all events around the theme for the year.